thing. Now we'll be applying.
Okay.
So in this case, what you'll be doing is we'll be solving the triangle. The first few parts are not of much importance. We're trying to say that when you put the two triangles congruent, this is your SAS test, side angle side test, side angle and side. But this is not the side angle and side. This angle should be in between these two. But anyway, don't worry much about this. What is important is if you have a triangle ABC, you need to know how to name a triangle. Do you know how to name a triangle?
If I have ABC,
Yeah.
as in
A triangle ABC. If you have triangle ABC, you
yeah,
know
like I know like opposite hypotenuse.
Okay. So if you have triangle, if you have right, there's a problem with this. It's coming in the
Does
end.
need to be plugged in.
So if you have triangle ABC, so if I call this A, this is B, this is C. Okay. Now, if this is angle A, capital A, the side opposite will be called small a.
Okay.
If this is angle B, the side opposite this would be B. This is angle C, this would be C.
Okay.
So your A square. So what is this A square referring to? The side.
This A square. The small a.
Yeah, small a square is equal to B square plus C square. This is like your Pythagoras theorem. Minus 2BC cos A. Minus 2 times BC. This is like your expansion formula. A minus B minus C the whole square. B square plus C square minus 2BC. Minus 2BC cos A.
Cos A.
Cos of the included angle. Cos of this angle. Angle opposite to this.
A can be any angle.
A can be any angle.
That is included.
Yeah. Now suppose if you want to find out B square, so what will your B square be? Tell me.
B squared would be like all you want to do is find B squared.
Yeah. The same way. Suppose you want to find out B square.
Would it be A squared plus C squared?
Correct. A square plus
C squared minus 2AC squared.
Minus 2AC. No square.
Sorry, AC then cos and then a B.
Yes. Cos.
Capital B.
Perfect. Cos of the
Yeah.
C square.
C squared is equal to B squared. Sorry, A squared plus B squared minus 2AC AB cos C.
Perfect.
Okay.
So this will help you to solve the triangle. Now you know the trick one, you had a right angle triangle.
Yes.
Here there's no need of a right angle triangle.
No right angle.
No need.
Like
so cosine rule can be applied
to any triangle.
Any triangle if you know two sides and an included angle. Side angle side.
What is this?
Side angle. So suppose if you know your B, you know your C, you know your side B, you know the length of side B, side C, and you know the angle A.
Then you can find anything else. Okay.
So you need to know SAS. So if you know SAS, you can use this version of cosine rule and get the side.
Okay. Understood.
Okay. Note that the law of cosine applies to any triangle, not just a right angle triangle.
Yeah.
What is cos 90? What is cos 90?
Cos 90
is 0.
0. Yeah, I forgot the
yeah. So what happens to this if angle C is 90? So this will become 0. So that will become a Pythagoras theorem. It will become A square plus B square minus 0.
Because
this 0 becomes 0. Yeah.
But then what about minus 2AB? That's all one thing.
Because 0 multiplied by anything is 0.
Yeah, right. Sorry.
Your C square is less than A square plus B square. So if your C square is less than A square plus B square, then what can you say about angle C? Will it be obtuse or acute?
Obtuse? No.
See, for this C square is equal to this. But suppose your C square is less than A square
plus
B square.
So then it will be
means your C will be obtuse.
Obtuse, yeah.
Because your cos C is obtuse, means this will become bigger.
Wait, obtuse is what again? When
angle is greater than 90 degrees.
Right, okay.
Angle is greater than 90 degrees.
90 degrees is obtuse.
And cos of an obtuse angle is negative.
Negative, yeah. Okay. So that's why it's saying less than. Okay.
So C square is less than A square plus B square.
Okay.
Or, sorry, I made a mistake. The other way around. C square is less, na?
Huh.
So that means, one second. Okay. So if your C square and this is A square plus B square, this is bigger, na?
Yeah.
So you have to subtract some number.
Hmm.
Therefore, C will be an acute angle.
C would be an acute angle.
When your C square is less than A square and B square, your C will be an acute angle. If C is an acute angle, what's going to happen? This angle, this term would be negative.
Hmm.
And something will get subtracted from A square plus B square, something will get subtracted, and
Yeah.
it will become equal.
Okay. When it's less than?
When
it's an acute angle.
Now when it's greater than, means you have to add something here. To make this equal, means this is heavier.
Minus C maybe?
So you have to add something over here. So you have to add something over here to make it equal.
Yeah.
Because this is lighter.
Oh, right, because it's lighter, yes.
So then when you add, then this is the obtuse angle.
Okay.
Like that. Because your cos C is positive. Because when your angle is acute, cos C is positive, and when your angle is obtuse, cos C is
Negative.
And negative combines to make it positive, and this will become equal to.
Okay. A bit confusing, but
No, it's okay. That is
Yeah.
not very important. Don't waste your time on that. The key thing is the sum. In triangle ABC, now so what you need to do, draw a diagram.
Draw.
Now this
So-
is important.
so wait. Big A is here.
Anything you can put it
Okay,
anywhere.
big B.
Yeah,
C.
but generally we
And
put
then this
like
is small a.
this is small a,
That's small b.
correct?
And that's small c.
Correct.
Okay,
So
that
A
makes
is
sense.
equal to 10,
Yeah.
B is equal to 13,
13.
C is equal to 70 degrees. Suddenly woke up. C is equal to 70 degrees.
70 degrees.
Correct. Find out C to the nearest 10th.
Okay.
So what formula? Cosine rule.
Cosine rule. So that's
You're finding C. So
Huh.
C square
c squared
is equal to
is equal to
A square plus B square plus A square, A square
Yeah.
plus B square
plus
minus
minus
2BA
2BA cos c.
substitute.
So c squared, we don't know, is equal to 13 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 13 times, cos c.
So solve this.
Wait, how do you know cos was 0?
70. That's
Oh,
not
sorry. So I thought you, okay. 70, yes, because that's the
zero.
degree,
Use
right?
your calculator and get this. Find this.
Oh, yeah. So my answer,
So don't forget to square root.
13.4192.
So 3 signal 13.4.
Yeah. Was
So
it?
if your diagram is right,
Huh.
so it may not be an isosceles triangle. So
Yeah.
avoid drawing an isosceles triangle. Correct? Because it may not be an isosceles triangle.
Right.
So this angle is 52 degrees. Correct? This is 60 meters. This
Yeah.
is 65 meters. Correct? This is ABC.
Yeah.
Find the perimeter. So you can find out BC. This is A. This is B.
Yeah.
And this is C.
Nice.
So now what's your formula?
A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of A.
Substitute.
So A squared, we don't know, equal to 65 squared plus 60 squared
Plus 60 square.
minus 2 times 65 times 60 cos of 52.
So you get the value of A. So do it on your calculator.
Or 55.0.
So 55.0. So what's the perimeter then?
So it'd be 55.0 plus 60 plus 65. Yeah.
How much is that?
That is 160. No.
4. In this case, you're finding the angle C.
Yeah.
So these are the sides. So when will you use this formula? When 3 sides are given. Side, side, side.
Huh.
So you in this case you have a triangle in which you know the length of the 3 sides. This is A, this is B, this is C. You know the length of 3 sides, and you have to find out angle C.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, so then would the formula just remain the same?
Formula remains the same. So what will your cos A be?
It would just be cos of A is equal
No,
to...
no, no, no. Now see, if this is C, this came as minus C squared.
Now would it be C squared plus B squared minus A squared?
Perfect. Upon?
Would it then be 2CB?
Correct.
That's what I was saying. I was saying I'm not sure about this, but I know...
But you followed now?
Yeah,
Acha,
that makes
tell
sense.
me cos B.
So that'd be A squared plus C squared minus B squared.
Very good.
Upon 2... it wouldn't be B, so it'd be
2AC.
AC.
Very good. Are you following? First I wanted you to think and look, but now you thought partially correct.
No, I was...
So when will you use this form? You'll use this form
when you're finding the angle.
When you're finding the
So
side.
the side. And,
SAS.
Yeah, SAS.
And use this form.
When you're finding the angle.
So when the three sides are given.
Yeah.
So start this up. See, when you have this, you can put the size anything anywhere. It won't matter. But try to keep it proportional. So if I've drawn this diagram, this looks to be the longest. So this is definitely the smallest. Correct? 120, 150. It's fine. You put it.
Yeah.
How it won't matter.
Okay.
A, B, C. But now it matters.
Yeah, before it didn't matter. Now.
Yeah, now it matters. Which is the largest angle?
Would that be B? No, C.
Now, there's a theorem which says that in a triangle, the largest side will have the largest angle opposite it.
So it would be at
And
A.
the smallest side
has
will
the
have
smallest
the
angle. I was thinking it was going to be opposite, but
yeah.
did I learn this or no?
Yeah.
Plus 50.
This is C. So your cos A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 150 squared.
What the?
And then you do cos inverse of that. So your A will be cos inverse. So when you're typing it, you can find out a cos inverse. Correct?
Yeah.
And, yeah. 117 point.
117.8.
Thank you. 0.8 degrees. So that's your one.
Yeah.
Fine?
Yeah.
Now, this is the steps used to find out the area when the three sides of a triangle are given. So if I give you a triangle ABC, and if you know the three sides, so this is A, this is B, this is C. First step is you find out the semi-perimeter. Semi means half. Semi-perimeter.
Wait. Okay.
Semi-perimeter.
What does that mean? Like
Semi-perimeter. Perimeter is sum of length of all the sides. A plus B plus C.
half of it.
Half of it. That's called semi-perimeter. Find S using this formula. And then you use Heron's formula to find out the area of this triangle, which is root S. This is S you calculated.
Yeah.
S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This formula gives you the area of the triangle when the three sides are given.
Okay, so this is another one of those rules.
So Heron's formula is used to find the area of a triangle when you
with
know
just
the
the
three
three
sides. So if you know ABC has three sides.
Small a, small b.
So your step one is you find out the semi-perimeter.
Then
Step
you
two,
multiply.
Use the formula.
Yeah.
Use your formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Correct? Root it and that's your area. End of the story. First, the three sides are given. So first you'll find what we call the semi-perimeter.
I can choose wherever I want to put
It
these.
won't matter. It won't matter. So because it won't matter anything you put. So it's the three sides you're adding.
Yeah. Okay.
And
nice.
you're adding the three sides and dividing by 2.
Yeah.
So what does that become?
380.
380. Correct? Once that becomes 380, then area will be root of
380 and then S minus.
into 380 minus 170. Correct? 380 minus 170. Correct? 380 minus 240.
Yes.
This root continues on the entire thing. And into 380 minus 350.
Yeah. So I was partially correct.
Why partially?
Because I just wrote S because I was lazy.
No, but you have to substitute, no?
But
In the end, you substitute. Did you get the answer?
I didn't. I was about to solve it, but I said I want to see if I'm correct.
So the answer is 18,308
So,
if you round it.
okay.
So, then
So that's the area.
That's the area, correct?
Okay.
So don't forget the Heron's formula.
Yeah, I'll remember it now.
Square yards. Fine. Use the law of cosine and Heron's formula to find the area of triangle ABC if B is given, C is given, and A is given. Start.
7, 9.
So for completion of this, I won't write all the steps. So first you have to use your cosine rule, and you can get your A is equal to, let me write it then. This is this square, so 25 plus 64 minus 2 into 5 into 8, correct? Into cos of the angle between them, cos 115.
Why is there a square root?
Because it's A square, no?
Oh.
So I'm directly can type this in. And 11.1, 11.08. Use most significant figures actually in middle of a sum. 19, correct? Then you find your semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C over 2. You can do that on your calculator. And that comes to 12.0409. 12.04097, something like this, correct? Then you use your Heron's formula to find out the area. Root of S minus A, S, correct? Open brackets, S minus A, correct? S minus B, S minus B and S minus C, correct? This is 5.
Yeah.
And 12.04, and this is A, 11.08. Correct? You use your Heron's formula, and you'll find that the area of the triangle comes to be 18.1. Now you can write one.
Round it up. Okay.
Now in the end,
There's a lot of
intermediately
steps.
use all significant.